So it's been pretty much 18 days of waiting. The wait is finally over because in this bag, we got something pretty cool. You guys know what it is already from my previous video, but what we're gonna do in this video is we're basically gonna unbox this beautiful piece of, let's see what else is in the bag. I mean, that is pretty nice presentation right there. It's a very, very nice bag. I might use this for other things, so very, very cool. But we have my Osmo Pocket 3, which we're gonna unbox in this video. So let's get on with that then. So what is in here? This box number, the 2 boxes in the bag. I wanna find out what this is. Whoa, what is that? What is this? Plastic and paper. Okay. Ooh, okay. I have something similar. Ooh, it's a case for memory cards. Bada bing, bada boom. That's very, very nice. A partnership between Lexar and DJI. That's very, very cool. I like that. This is black. The one I have right now is silver. So that's very, very nice. Put that to the side. Thank you very much for that. I needed that. And then here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I need a knife. I'll be right back. And here is that knife. This is, I mean, I just love unboxings here. Nothing beats an unboxing, especially when you've been waiting for something for a very, very long time. So let's get rid of the plastic. The sound of the plastic. Oh, I just love that experience. Even though plastic is now bad, but the sound it makes is so satisfying. The presentation on this is absolutely amazing. These guys have taken a leaf straight out of Apple's, I don't know, marketing. Even the way they've done these like lights on here is similar to what you get on a MacBook screen or like a MacBook Pro's box. Oh, even the tag here. Can you guys see that from here? That's like Apple, same color as what as the Apple peel tags. It's crazy. These guys. I guess if you're gonna copy something, copy the best. That's what you get. So, it's so satisfying. Ooh, okay, what do you get here? You get this throwaway silica gel. Yep, we don't really care about that. There's a box here on the side. Let's see what's inside this box. The excitement is, I was gonna say real, like I say in every video. Ooh, okay. What is this? Open that. There's nothing in that one. Ooh, that smells nice. It smells like, again, like an Apple device. What is this? Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. Ah, okay. Right, straight to the floor. Like, I didn't need that. It's kind of like silicone, feels very, very smooth, but also textured at the same time. And yeah, put that to the side because what we really care about is what's inside here, innit? Damn, okay. Instruction manuals. Ooh, you get stickers just like you get with Apple devices. At least you used to, but not anymore. But I see where they got that idea from. Again, very, very cool. Instruction manuals. I don't know what this is. DJI Store, a must-have app for your DJI users. Okay, keep that to the side because I'm gonna need that later. And instruction stuff that I'm never gonna read. So back in the box. Let's open this. Woohoo! This is so cool. It's basically a bag in a box. The tag, what is that? Yeah, we don't really care about that. I'm sorry, but I want to look inside. Whoa! Oh my gosh, you got so many things in this bag. I mean, this bag is textured, it's black and clean with a DJI logo, but we don't really care much about it. We do, but what we really want to see is what's inside, innit? So we have here, what is this? Because I went with a combo pack. So you get an extra battery here, or battery extender with a quarter 20 screws at the bottom. Very, very nice. I get my new DJI Mic 2. I have the original ones here, but this one is really, really cool. Very see-through design, very nice. I like that. And it feels lighter than this one, but very cool. What else we got in here? What is this? It's like a bag here that just keeps on giving. And then feet. You got feet from Osmo Pocket. Very, very nice. I guess those fit on here. Self-explanatory. Oh, look at that. Stands by itself. Oh, okay, did that one wrong. Stands by itself. Very, very nice. Look at that. The mic. What is this? There's more. Wow, what is this one? What is that? Is that another battery thing? I think this one is, in case you don't want to use the battery thing, you can use this as a Q20 for your Osmo Pocket, because it doesn't come with that built in, the gimbal. So I guess that's another extra thing. So put that to the side over here. And then in here we've got USB-C cable, which we're gonna need for charging, I guess. And then you get like two muffs. Oh, two muffs? Yes, indeed. You get two muffs for your microphone, even though I only got one microphone. More silica stuff, which we don't need. And then, last but not least, we have our Osmo Pocket 3. This thing's actually heavier than I thought it was gonna be. There's definitely a heft and a weight to it. That is just lovely. And then I guess I peel this off. Let's have a listen. That's so nice. And hey, get off me. And then there is that screen. Oh my God. Observation. Obviously it's black. It feels very premium, very well made. Rubberized and textured in the front. You got microphone holes on here, I think on the side. And I don't know what, oh, SD card slot, very, very nice. USB-C at the bottom. And then you got, I guess, your on-off button and your directional button for your gimbal. And I guess, let's turn it on. How do we do that? I think you flick the screen. Oh, it says DJI and the gimbal's are, oh my gosh, that was quick. That was like crazy fast. So I guess I gotta set it up. So you know what, let's fit this onto it so that I can let it stand by itself. Which way does it go? I guess that goes like this. Yes, indeed. Fits in place. Oh, got to peel this off. Oh, more satisfaction right there. And now this becomes a battery extender that will charge the battery in here to get extra long filming. Ah, that is so nice. So on the back of the Osmo Pocket here, it says English. That's the language that I apparently speak. Oh my gosh, it just updated itself. Okay, so do I say English? Nope, I can't touch. Do I press this? How do I say okay? Yes, I do speak English. Okay, maybe I should read the instruction manual. Clearly, how do I select to say yes, I speak English? How do I do that? This might take a while, people. What the hell? How do I select and say yes? Oh shoot. Don't eject. I'm a little bit confused. How in the world? Is it touchscreen? Oh, it is touchscreen. English. Okay. No. Yep, that you touch it. Ah, bloody hell. All right. So what's next? Swipe to skip 5. What? Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. What does that mean? Okay. Device name, Osmo Pocket, whatever. Connect to scan the QR code. Okay. Where's my phone? Are we still recording? Ooh, I don't want to use this phone. Let me get my other phone because Let's get this other phone. Okay. All right. So let's scan the QR code. Bada bing, bada boom. I guess I'm gonna download an app from the DJI store. Yes, indeed. Ooh, okay. DJI Mimo app. Okay, let's get that. Let's get that. Let's get that. Open App Store. Bada bing, bada boom. Download the DJI Mimo app. It's downloading. Oh, this is so satisfying. It's got 3.7 out of 5 in the rating score, so that's quite good. It's downloading. It's almost done. I can't wait to use this thing. Oh man, I've been waiting for this for so long. I've been like, I wanted to buy this camera when it first came up. I was like, do I really need it? This and that. But lately, I was like, what took me so long? Okay, so what I want to do is I'll do a separate video on how I set this thing up for my needs. That was just a quick little unboxing. Thank you for watching my unboxing of my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The next video will be obviously me using this thing, and I also do a separate video for how I'm going to set it up for vlogging and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, and you can watch more videos appearing here somewhere. There's